Hi, Blarney. Say Blarney's eyes are open. Oh, big yawn, Blarney. Hi, Blarney hero. Blarney's tongue works. Blarney, you always see that sweet little face. Who's growling? Okay, let's go next puppy. There she is. There's our Blarney girl. Okay, here, Tater. Oh my gosh. There's no neck to even grab for you. Yeah, he doesn't have one. You're just a teddy bear and you're all wet. He's just a big old potato. That's why he's Tater. Hi, Tater face. Oh, got the tongue. Oh, I got the tongue. Okay. Okay. Yeah, should have taters. Oh, Tater. You stink. Ah, the big old Guinness truck. Oh. Look at that massive face. No one's ever going to believe a border collie. Got the tongue. Got the tongue. Oh. Aren't you precious? Aren't you huge?
The bluest eyes. All puppies have blue eyes.
Okay.
Oh, you're waving? He's waving.
Okay, let's see. I had these. No, this one. This is no. Yeah, that's Mabe. Mabe. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Flip Jr. There's Gidget. Hi, Mabe. Oh boy, look at those red white feet. Ooh. Who got jelly bean toes? Who got jelly bean toes, Miss Mabe? Oh. Okay.
So going to sleep on your
yeah, Dublin.
Okay, so we need
Finn and Dublin.
Oh, Finn, and we're missing one, I think.
Nope, they're there.
No, I mean
Finn and Dublin, because he did Blarney first.
Everybody up?
Yeah. We did Blarney first.
Oh my goodness.
So that's Finn.
He's got longer ears.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for showing us both sides of that handsome face of yours. There's your little life. Oh. I got it! Finn McChew. Is your name Finn McChew? Huh.
Is that it?
Okay.
Those sneezes are so cute. Okay, and
Dublin on my feet. Wake up, Dub.
I don't think Dub.
Wake up, dolly face. I don't think he likes me. So I told you, he's the most laid back. Look at that unique coloring. He's blue. Just a minute. Oh, good. You got the dark part. There we go. Thank you for showing us both sides of your face, wee little man. And there's Puppy Dublin. Yay! See, he just don't care. There's that.
He's almost got like a Roman nose.
Yeah, he's gonna have the collie face. He's gonna have that rough collie face.
Maybe he may have still a little bit of a Roman nose on the end.
Hey, I don't care. Makes him look so different. I mean, he's blue and then he's brindle. What is going on with you, little man?
And then his toes are white.
Yep.
But I think the blue's gonna turn gray.
He's gonna kiss you back. He kissed you back.
No, he didn't, but stinky.
Yeah, I know.
Puppy breath. Their breath isn't sweet yet. It's nasty. Have you?
Yes, they can't help it.
No, I know. But it's really stinky.
And there's the cuddle puddle.
They don't
Good night, puppies.
I'm waiting for their sweet puppy breath. That's what I want.